Hello everyone, I'm Irene and welcome to a first time traveler channel, and for this video I'm going to share you my preparation for a Schengen tourist visa application from Philippines, and self-funded, no sponsor, and employed in a private company here in the Philippines. And disclaimer lang po, I'm not a visa expert, and what I'm going to share you is about my own journey. Remember, it is always a case-to-case basis when it comes to visa approval. And a Schengen visa is a type of visa that allows a travelers to visit the 27 European countries for up to 90 days within a 180-day period. And I'm gonna share you about the key points to save time and money for the visa application process. I did all the research with my first time visa application to Europe, and here are the key points. First key points that I will share you is are you going to do it by yourself or through a travel agency? For do it yourself, like me, I'm working, so you do really need to have a extra time for your documents and preparation and research for all the needed requirements. And if you opted to go through a travel agency, the advantage is you can ask them directly what are the necessary requirements, and step-by-step process they will guide you, but it will not always a guarantee for approval. So for me, I choose to do it yourself. And second key points is the most important, funds. So for the funds, this is the proof of financial means, and with visa application you will submit a like a bank certificate, um, a bank book. You can in my end uh, pina print ko siya, and then personal bank statement showing a regular income covering the last 6 months. It would be also helpful if you gonna include like a year, and this is very important as they want to see the in and outs of funds. And a one big time deposit is a red flag to your application, as they might you know subject for law like anti-money laundering kind of thing. And remember that you need to submit also a proof of income, or how you earn this money that you have in the bank. And like me, I'm employed in the I employed, so I submit ITR, or income tax return. And also the next key point, the third key point, is the target date of travel. This is also very important, especially if you are employed, so you will have a sufficient time to gather all your documents before setting up an appointment for a visa application. Make sure na kompleto na yung lahat ng requirements nyo, kasi once na nakakapag-appointment na kayo, hindi nyo na ma-refund yung pera nyo. Ganon. And also, the travel date will help you to save money when it comes to buying a flight ticket and hotel accommodation as well. And during summer, there will be a surge in ticket prices in Europe and most of the hotels as well. And Europe has like a three season, like a low season is from November to March when the weather is cold, and crowds are smaller, and also during this time of the year na common yung mga flight cancellation, and it's also very um, nakakatakot for us Pinoy na because of this flight delays we might exceed the mag-overstay tayo dun sa country sa Europe, and it's a very big offense. Yon. And also, that is during the low season, and there is also called the shoulder season. And the shoulder, like the shoulder, is when the weather is from April to mid-June. And this is my travel date, the shoulder season, when the weather is mild and the prices are moderate. And next is called the high season, is from mid-June to August. So this is when the weather is warm, and there will be a lot of tourists are coming in because it's also the holiday season for most of the students and other European countries, and it's gonna be crowded during summer, and all are expensive, from the flight tickets, hotel accommodation, those kind of thing. And the next key point is the point of entry, or which country you will stay the longest. And this is very important. You will need to know which country is more friendly to Filipino like us, and when it comes to giving approval. And for me, I choose Netherlands, and they also said that Germany is good, especially to those who have partner in Germany, and I heard. And if you want a fast approval, you may consider France and Switzerland, but you need to be a spender and show your millions that you're gonna spend money with your travel to their country. And for Spain and Italy, we need to avoid this as much as possible. And the highest denial rate because of that TNT, and you already know what I mean with that. um, but it would be still depend on you in which country you feel comfortable to start your journey with the visa application. And once you already decided which country you're aiming to, and then you may start to go to their website, and to their website you can see the requirements, like for a tourist visa. And I will make a separate video also on this tourist visa list of requirements. And next key points is make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months. Pag minsan kasi yung ibang Pinoy, nakapag set na sila ng appointment to the visa application process, and doon nila makita na yung passport pala nila is about to expire na. You know, when busy people sometimes hindi na nila natitingnan minsan yung mga bagay na yun. Kaya make sure your passport is valid for 6 months para walang masayang na pera when it comes to your appointment. And also, please keep in mind these things, that having a sponsor, a US or a Japanese visa or any other visas from other country, a lot of money, travel histories or passport stamps to different countries, paid plane tickets, paid hotel accommodations, will not guarantee an approval for your visa application. It will always be a case-to-case basis, and We need to comply all the time with all the updated requirements for a higher chance of approval. So make sure before lodging your application, go to their specific website of each country and look for the most updated requirements. Pero kung walang updates, thank God. And also hope this video will help you in your journey to Europe soon. And if you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer it in my free time. And also, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you are not a subscribers yet, please feel free to hit that subscriber button for coming videos. Thank you and God bless everyone, and good luck. Good luck.